Hello students, once again here myself Mansi ma'am. As we have done in the previous session that how to create the web page using the Composer. So today we will do as a practically in the Composer, as you can see in the video how to create the web pages in the Composer. So let's start. First of all, open the Composer. As the Composer image or icon is look like this. So click on the Composer. Over here I have given the hyperlink in the PPT. So open it. As you can see, the Composer is look like this. I have already told in the previous video that how to create the Composer or web pages. As over here, first of all, this is menu bar. As you can see, so first of all, if you want to create a web page, first we will click on the form, and this is a pop-up menu of form property. So first we will click on the form, give the form name. Over here I will type ABC, and next in action URL, same form name, that is ABC, but we will put .html. Now method we will set as an get, because get contain limited information and post contain block of data through the HTML. Then OK. We will click over 3 times OK. Then it will create the form. As you can see, the form is created in the blue outline. In that, the cursor is blinking. So in that form, we will create the table. So click on this table, as you can see in the menu bar. Click on the table, select the number of rows and columns. As we will teach in the previous video, that is how to create the web page using the HTML, this is the row and this is the column. So we will select 6 columns and 2 rows. Now resize the table by dragging this point. Now we will enter the fields, that is first enter name, second enter address, enter phone number, enter gender, then password, then city, then we will insert the button. So we will merge these two columns by selecting and dragging to the another one. So over here we will right click on this, and the last second option, that is join selected cell, click on that. It will join in the one row. So now over here we will insert the fields. We will click on this, that is first row second column, click on that. Now go to the forms arrow, that is form properties, click on this, select the form fields. One dialog box will be appear, as I already teach in the previous video. The field types is menu one, text, password, checkbox, radio button, submit button, reset button, files, hidden, image and button. For the text box, we will use text. Give the text name as per your wish. Over here I will select A and OK. The text box is inserted. Now for the address, we will insert the text area. So from the form property, we will select the text area, not in the form fields. So select the text area, give the name. Suppose I will given address, number of rows. Over here I will put 6, and in columns suppose 20, and then OK. The text box is inserted. Now for the phone number, we will only insert the text box from the form property, form fields, text, field name, suppose I am giving over here B, empty this initial value and then OK. Now gender. In gender, we will insert the radio button. So again from properties, from fields, over here we will select this radio button, give the group name, but remember that group name will be same for the all the radio button. So over here we will give the G and in the field value suppose male and then OK. The radio button is inserted. Over here we will write the male, give some space, then again we will insert the radio button for the second, that is for female. So again form fields, select the radio button, group name which I have already given in the male, that is G. Then next field value, that is female. Remember students that group name will be same in the all these radio buttons. Then OK. We will give female beside the radio button. Now next for the password, again form properties, form fields, select the password. Over here we will give suppose P, empty this initial value and then OK. Then for city we will use the selection list. So for selection list, go on to the form properties and select that selection list below the text area. Click on this. Now over here there is a list name. Students, we have to create the list of cities, so we will write down this cities and click on the add option. Now over here the option is text. Now we will write the city's name. First suppose Surat, then click on add option. Then we will write suppose Delhi, then add option, then Mumbai, add option, Bharuch, and then OK. The selection list is inserted. Now on the last row, what we have merged, click on that. Now we will insert the button. So form properties, form fields, and over here simple button. Not submit button or reset button, only we will insert the button. Click on that, write down the field name, that is suppose BNT. You can write as per your wish, and over here field value that display on the button. So over here I am writing send. This send is displayed on the button, then OK. As you can see, I have written the send, the button display the send. Now we will save this page. As unsave this page, this red color button is displayed and untitled will be seen. So save the first page by giving the 1 and OK. Save on the desktop. It will automatically come that .html in the composer and save it. OK. Now we will create another page by clicking on the new. Another page is created by untitled and this is first page. So over here we will write some text, that is thank you for registration. Save this by giving the value 2 and it is also again in the desktop, that is save. Now go to the first page, right click on the button, the one pop-up menu will open. Click on the link, that is create link. Over here the link property is open. Open the browsing button and we have to navigate to the page 2. As click on the desktop, as you can see, and select the page 2 and then open and OK. the link is created to the button to the second page. Now over here we have done some changes, so in that the red button is again disabled. So save it again, then browser it. As you can browser it, the output will become in the browser. As you can see, the output is displayed. First we will write the name, we will write some address. As you can enter, the scroll bar is displayed. Phone number. Now over here, male and female for the radio button. If we click on the male, it will display or select it, and again if we click on the female, it will be unselected, because over here we have given the group name sing. That's why is if we select the one and then second one, the first one is unselected, and in the password it's come in the bullets. Then city, how many city we have inserted, it will display in the output. Select any one city, and now we will click on the send. It will navigate to the second page, as you can see. If we go to back, again we will send, it will navigate to the second page. So student, this is how we will create the HTML. So I hope you understood how to create the web pages using the Composer, which I already told in the previous video, but in this video we have done in the practically basis. So till that, practice in the Composer, download the Composer app in your PC and do practice of it. So till that, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.